Welcome to the Buy2Cart new affiliates onboarding program. First of all, congratulations on taking your first step. We're here to guide you through the basics of the Buy2Cart affiliate program, from understanding how it works, all the way to sharing products, earning commissions, and building momentum. Our mission is simple: buy, cart, earn, repeat. Let's get started. So first, what exactly is Buy2Cart? Buy2Cart is the UAE's newest online shopping platform, offering a wide range of products from everyday essentials to business starter kits. Customers can shop directly through the website, while affiliates like you can share products using your own affiliate link and discount code. When someone purchases through your referral, you earn commission automatically. It's all about making shopping and sharing easy. Buy, cart, repeat. The Buy2Cart affiliate program is straightforward. Share products using your unique link, someone buys, and you earn a 10% commission. It's a simple and rewarding process with no guessing or negotiating. That's the entire system. The more people you reach, the more opportunities you create. Now let's start learning the basics. Your dashboard is where you'll monitor your clicks, commissions, referrals, payout balance, and marketing tools. To access it, simply go to buy2cart.com, open the affiliate program page, then click Login. Quick tip: save your dashboard link directly on your phone home screen so you can easily access it anytime without typing the link repeatedly. Treat your dashboard like your small online business headquarters. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can focus on sharing and earning. Spend a few minutes exploring it. In your dashboard, you can find your affiliate link, discount code, marketing materials, commissions, and payout information. The more comfortable you are navigating your dashboard, the easier it becomes to promote confidently. Earning with Buy2Cart is simple. You share, they click, they buy, and you earn. This cycle ensures that your efforts in sharing products translate into real earnings. The first step is sharing. You have two important tools: your affiliate link and your discount code. Use your affiliate link and discount codes to reach potential buyers. Your affiliate link tracks purchases connected to your account. Your discount code helps encourage people to buy while still crediting the sale to you. Use both together whenever possible. You can share your affiliate link both online and offline. Use social media, messages, or even face-to-face conversations to spread the word and maximize your reach. And you know what? Some of the best referrals actually come from natural conversations. You should go and try it out. Your affiliate link acts as your personal tracker. Every click is connected specifically to your account. When someone buys through your link, the commission is automatically assigned to you. There's also a 30-day cookie window, meaning even if someone clicks today but only purchases weeks later, you can still receive the commission as long as the purchase happens within 30 days. Some people hesitate to click links. That's normal. This is where your discount code becomes powerful. Your personal code gives customers instant savings while still tracking the sale back to your account. Sometimes people feel more comfortable typing a code manually during checkout instead of clicking a link. That's why both tools matter. Once they click, they can shop from a variety of categories, all included in the affiliate program. This diversity increases your chances of earning. Once the customer purchases, the system records the sale automatically. Important reminder: all product categories are included in the affiliate program except IM Worldwide packages. As an affiliate, you can sell the IM Worldwide products, but selling the packages to get lifetime discounts is only by membership. If you wish to become a member of the IM Worldwide and be able to unlock the 35 to 50% lifetime product discounts and outstanding compensation packages, you should avail the package first. Always make sure you understand which products qualify for commissions. Utilize the marketing materials available to you. Inside your dashboard, you'll find these materials that can help you promote faster and easier. These may include banners, product images, and ready-to-share materials. You don't always need to create everything from scratch. Use available tools wisely and make the content feel natural to your style. Creating specific product links is simple. Instead of sending someone to the homepage, you can directly send them to the exact product they're interested in. This usually improves conversions because customers immediately see what caught their attention. Follow the steps to generate links that you can share directly with potential buyers, making the process seamless. Now let's talk about payouts. The minimum payout request is 50 dirhams. Payouts are processed every Monday once your balance reaches the minimum threshold. Available payout methods include UAE bank transfer, ANI, Botim, and GCash for affiliates in the Philippines. Consistency matters more than speed. Small commissions can build up surprisingly fast over time. Here's a simple sample computation. If a customer buys a product worth 100 dirhams and uses a 10% discount code, the final purchase becomes 90 dirhams. Your 10% affiliate commission would then be 9 dirhams. The more sales generated through your link or code, the more commissions accumulate. Because of this program, you can earn extra income, even without inventory, or even without leaving your current job. It's that simple. Here are a few helpful tips. Start with just one product first and understand it properly before sharing it. You do not need thousands of followers. You simply need the right conversations with the right people. Follow up professionally without becoming overly pushy. And most importantly, set realistic expectations from the beginning. Consistency and trust always outperform hype. Here's a sample public post. Share your genuine experience with a product and include your affiliate link. Make sure to use and share your discount code. Mention it to encourage purchases. Notice how it sounds natural and conversational instead of overly scripted. The goal is to sound genuine and relatable. People respond better to honest experiences and simple recommendations. Here's an example of a direct message approach. In a direct message, casually introduce the product and share your affiliate link. Mention any discounts to make the offer more appealing and personal. Avoid sounding aggressive or desperate. The best conversations often feel natural and low pressure. Sometimes people will ask, "What is it exactly?" Give a short and brief description, then guide them directly to the product link so they can see the full details themselves. Avoid over-explaining. Kiss it. Keep it short and simple. When someone asks, "Is it worth it?" this is where honesty matters most. If you personally used the product, share your real experience. If you haven't tried it yet, simply explain what caught your attention about it. Authenticity builds trust much faster than exaggerated claims. Sometimes people will say, "I'll check it out later." That's perfectly okay. Avoid forcing the conversation. Simply respond politely and leave the door open for future follow-up. Professionalism leaves a stronger impression than pressure. It's important to offer help without being pushy. There are many ways to create content. Some affiliates prefer educational posts. Others prefer storytelling, lifestyle content, reviews, or short-form videos. Find the style that feels natural to you and stay consistent with it. Consistency creates familiarity. Familiarity creates trust. Rejections are part of the process. Most people won't respond, some will ask questions, and a few will actually buy. That's part of sales and marketing. It's all about volume and persistence. And remember, every conversation increases your chances of finding the right customer. Please remember this important rule. Google Ads traffic is not allowed under the affiliate program. To keep your referrals valid, avoid using paid Google advertising methods. Always follow the program guidelines properly to protect your account. Most affiliates quit during the second week because they feel like nothing is happening yet. But the affiliates who eventually earn are usually the ones who simply continued showing up consistently. Momentum takes time. Consistency is the real strategy. As part of the Buy2Cart ecosystem, additional trainings and learning opportunities are also available. Enhance your skills with free trainings like basic social media and product orientation. Optional paid courses can further boost your expertise in selling and social media. The more skills you build, the stronger your long-term results can become. And that concludes the Buy2Cart New Affiliates Onboarding Program. Thank you once again for being part of Buy2Cart. Learn consistently, take action, and most importantly, keep showing up. Buy, cart, earn, repeat.